Hi, in this video we'll look at 5 examples for human resources on how to use Microsoft 365 Copilot to boost your productivity. Example number 1. Using Copilot to help write a job description. In this case, we'll use Copilot within Microsoft Word. So let's open a new blank document and click at the top. Here, I find the Copilot interaction bar and I enter a prompt that I have already prepared to show you this example. The specific prompt I am using states the following. You are an experienced HR manager, so I'm utilizing the highly effective role prompting technique of a professional company that implements specialized products for corporate intranets using a wide range of Microsoft-based technologies and frameworks. Your task is to compose a comprehensive and detailed job description in order to hire a talented new front-end developer. Let's see the result.
Wait a moment. I'll steal 10 seconds to introduce myself. I am one of the Microsoft most valuable professionals, and on this channel you will find tons of technical videos to keep you updated on all Microsoft 365 technologies, from SharePoint to Teams to Microsoft 365 Copilot. Subscribe then to see the new updates.
In this case, the artificial intelligence is able to generate the job description from scratch using its internal knowledge. The models used by Microsoft 365 Copilot know what a front-end developer is and what kind of skills they should have. So they provide a proposed job description based on this knowledge. Clearly, our chat has the option to click down here in the interaction bar with Copilot and continue to request changes to this job description until reaching the desired result. In this case, I want to tell it that our company's location is in Milan and not in Dublin, as you wrote. And we are also very interested in the skill of development in React.js, which is a specific skill for development in this environment, front-end. By pressing enter, I can then ask Copilot to regenerate the job description from scratch, making the changes I requested. In fact, you can see that in the overview of the job description, it has been specified that strong experience in using this programming language is required. By clicking on the Keep button, I then have the option to keep what Copilot has written within my Word file and then continue with the changes. In this case, however, this first use case has a best practice to follow, which I will explain to you now. As you can see, in this case, Copilot has created a job description, including paragraphs that go from the position overview to the responsibilities, requirements, and qualifications that a person must have to apply. In my case, however, I want my job description to follow a very specific template, and moreover, I want the same text to always be included to introduce the company and to present the benefits from the perspective of smart working. That's why I created a template that the artificial intelligence must follow for all my future job postings. Here is the template. There's a paragraph for the job title, the company description which is already written, the responsibilities and the role, the requirements to apply for the position, the desired skills, information about smart working which is already described, the benefits and the selection process. So a template that I created in Word. Now going back to the original Microsoft Word document, I actually have the distinct possibility to use a second, more specific prompt to carefully instruct Copilot to read through the entire template provided. By mentioning the template I just saw in a second Word file. And this is one of the capabilities that Microsoft 365 Copilot offers us, namely access to our company data. And by following the structure of this template, and especially by copying its contents, write a job posting to search for a developer front end. Let's see the result. Here, in this case, Copilot has generated a job description which, however, matches my requirements. You can see that the title has been placed up here at the top. There are the paragraphs I had chosen, so the job title, the company description, which was copied exactly from my template, the responsibilities, the requirements, the skills, remote working. This too was copied from start to finish. So with this use case, you have the ability to very quickly create all your job postings. Description, but starting from the template you prefer. Case number 2. Now I want to do a bit of promotion for my new job posting, so I want to write a post for social media that will help me advertise my job description. In this case, I open the Copilot chat and move to the work environment. Why the work environment? Because in my use case, the post needs to be generated based on a specific job description that I previously wrote. So what does my post say in this case? Create a LinkedIn post to announce the opportunity to apply for a position as a front-end developer, and reference the information you find in the Word file that describes my job description. This post should have an informal tone and be engaging for a young audience. This is the prompt I wrote. Let's hit enter and see the result. In this case, the result is provided by Microsoft 365 Copilot. By reading the document I mentioned and using its built-in knowledge to write social media posts, it writes this post for me, complete with emojis that I can copy and paste directly into LinkedIn. As you can see, in this case, it has retrieved exactly all the information regarding the required skills and the job description that were included in my original file. Here too, bonus. In the event that you are looking for all of your posts to adhere strictly to a very particular and consistent structural format for LinkedIn, you can develop comprehensive step-by-step instructions and create an agent that has been meticulously and specifically engineered for LinkedIn posts. This is the one we created, which, once you describe the type of post you want to create on LinkedIn before starting to create it, asks you a whole series of questions to understand what kind of post needs to be made and what tone you want to use. In this case, I say a friendly tone. After asking about the tone, it asks me if I want this post to include lists or not. I tell it yes, I'm fine with lists. And the last question concerns the type of hook. The hook is the first part of the post, which on LinkedIn is usually a section. It's important, and I tell it that I want my hook to include a question. In this case, the agent was written following precise instructions, in such a way as to create LinkedIn posts that follow the best practices for using LinkedIn, and above all, the rules that I want internally for creating this type of post. For example, a maximum of 3 tags placed at the end of the post, lists with emojis, and so on. Use case number 3, resume comparison. In this case, we have the opportunity to leverage this use case across different Microsoft experiences. 365 Copilot. The first is Copilot in OneDrive. That is, if we create a folder in our OneDrive and put all the CVs we want to compare in it, as I did, we have the option to select them and then choose the functionality. Compare within the Copilot menu that I have at the top left, inside the command bar. In this case, Copilot will process the request and compare these two files, giving me the results in a table. This table is generated within this window where I can see Copilot's processing, step by step. As you can see, in this case, it is Copilot that chooses the comparison categories between these two documents. Be aware that this comparison feature is not available for a large number of documents, but only for a certain number at a time. I recommend not exceeding 5 or 6 documents of 2 to 3 pages each, okay? Otherwise, the comparison will take too long. We can do the same thing within Copilot Chat to have one. Greater control over the result of the action I ask Copilot to perform. 2. To implement slightly more advanced use cases. You see, in this case, I wrote, compare these 2 resumes, and I mentioned the 2 files. And tell me which one is better with respect to a specific job description that I wrote in Word format, which is the job description we saw earlier. So let's see the result in this case. Here, in this case, Copilot did its job by taking the reference from the job description we mentioned, specifying the details of one candidate compared to another. Then it made a comparison in a table of the main characteristics of the 2 candidates, but based on my job description. And then it gave me a final piece of information to help interpret this data. Okay, as you can see here. The nice thing is that artificial intelligence doesn't give you an opinion, no, but it gives you suggestions for interpreting this data. In this specific case, of course, you can then do all the follow-ups you want to further analyze these candidates in relation to the job description and the type of role you are looking for in your company. That said, let's move on to use case number 4. So I've written the job posting, I've received the CV, now I want to tell the candidates how to prepare for the interview. Let's go back to the chat copy, keep our conversation history, and use this prompt. Write a formal email. Thank the person for submitting their resume, including information on how to prepare for an interview related to the job description, which we always make sure to mention. Let's see the result. Here, we see that Copilot has taken on the request we made, read the document with the information about the job description, and created both a subject line and a body for the email with the information it considers useful. To prepare for this interview, based on the job description we wrote, obviously I always have the option to adapt this initial proposal from Copilot, specifying, in this case it even suggests it to me, the company name, the candidate's name, whether it should have a different tone, whether it's for a junior or senior profile, and so on. The nice thing is that Copilot in this case gives me 2 options. The first is to copy the text of the email and then work on it in Outlook. Or it gives me a card where I can take the result of this email creation, directly enter here the address of the person I want to write to, and send this email directly from within the Copilot chat without having to go through Outlook. Really very, very interesting. And finally, we come to use case number 5. I've received the CV, I've created the job description, I've posted the job on LinkedIn, I've analyzed the CV, and so on. I also need to prepare myself for the interview. In this case, I am an HR professional and I need to hire for a technical role. And so it's very likely that I don't know all the technical details needed to properly evaluate the candidate. Even in this case, Copilot can come to my aid. I'll show you a really nice prompt that you can use. I always go into the Copilot chat and write a prompt like this. Given this specific job description, and in this case, I always mention my Word file containing the job description information and the candidate's CV that we received, and again, I mention the CV that I saved in my OneDrive. Prepare at least 20 questions to use in an interview with this person. Include both technical questions, and for these technical questions, also give me the correct answer. Because I'm not a technical person, so I need to at least have an idea if the answer the person is giving is correct. Thank you. Whether it matches what I'm looking for or not. Let's see the result. Here you can see that Copilot has taken on the task, read the information from the job description and the person's resume, and it's generating all the various questions for me, including the correct technical answer, which I can then choose to use during my interview. Good. With this, I've finished this quick overview of use cases specific to human resources. You will find these 5 and many other use cases on copilotcircle.com, our continuous Copilot adoption solution that is able to send nudges or use cases like the ones you've seen, based on the level of maturity people have in using Copilot and based on their role in the company, so that each person receives exactly the content that interests them and is useful for achieving successful adoption of Microsoft within the company. 365 Copilot. See you in the next video. Bye bye.